Google Keyword Planner. Friends, if we discuss about Google Ads, so among the important aspects that have been included there in this entire course, one such important aspect is called Google Keyword Planner. Because when we run the ads, so we have to see what keywords are the users searching for, what traffic are they getting, what is their bidding value, and based on this we will create our strategy. And when we choose the specific keywords and then run the ads, so that is where the traffic for our ads come. And if you have not gained the expertise in this particular aspect even now, or if you didn't learn it well, and then if you end up making a mistake somewhere or the other in the field of Google Ads, and if the right traffic does not come, then your money and your budget will get wasted, or else the results that you can potentially bring and also the return on ad spend that you can bring in, maybe that won't be achieved. So the video that you are going to watch today is very point to point and practical, and the aspects in the digital marketing agencies, the way we pay attention to all those aspects that matter for our clients when we bring them results and when we run ads for them. So pay attention to how to use the planner, how to extract keywords, and I will show everything step by step. I'm going to teach you. So watch this carefully from beginning to end, understand it and learn it. And please do subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon, as 2025 is going to be a very different year for you as well as Marketing Fundas. Because this time around we have brought you a new Google Ads course integrated with AI. This course is the first of its kind with Google plus AI and includes AI tools. So you will learn how AI can be used in the aspects related to Google. Plus, we have started an SEO course, and this is the first time we are offering it with AI. And similarly, we'll be bringing in Facebook ads, Meta ads with AI, YouTube with AI. So you will get and learn with an extraordinary and the latest course in 2025. Thus, please do subscribe and also press the bell icon. You should not miss even one course. And do not miss anything as this time around. As along with digital marketing, we will also make you an expert in AI. And please write in the comment section that yes, I will learn. Please write yes, I will learn in the comment section, because this will motivate and tell us how interested you are in learning these courses and how much love we are getting from you. So let's get started. Let us go to the computer screen and learn Google Keyword Planner properly. So now here, as you can clearly see, right now I'm in the dashboard of my Google Ads account, and here we see that we have the option for tools. As soon as I go to the tools option, we have Keyword Planner, Performance Planner, Reach Planner within the planning section. But the one that is used the most majorly is Google Keyword Planner. Now, Google Keyword Planner is a completely free tool, right? There is no money that is involved. It's a free tool and it's Google's tool. So Google gives all the advertisers the opportunity to come to this particular place and see which keywords are the best for your business based on what kind of traffic you are getting and what could the cost be. And along with that, they keep updating everything regularly because the things keep changing every month. It can be the searches, or it can be the developments and trends for any particular keyword. And whether it's going up or down, you can find out all these things here. So here, there are two options when we go to Google's Keyword Planner. The first is discover new keywords, and second is get volume and forecast. Now the option get volume and forecast means what is the specific volume of a particular keyword, and further forecast means how it will be in the future. So Google tells you that, but we do not need these right now. And then we get the option discover new keywords. Now I clicked on discover new keywords. So now here the first option is to start with a website. Here you can enter any website. Let's say you have your competitor's website or your own website. Based on that, if you need keyword suggestions, you can enter the website here and a list of keywords will appear in front of you. It will be helping you gain a competitive advantage and understand which keywords are used in the market. But then the correct way and method to search and find a particular keyword is, I'm going to be taking just an example here. Let us say we are going to be considering a coaching institute for CA. Coaching. So I am writing coaching institute. Oh, sorry. And along with all this, you must be seeing an option down here, the option which is saying India. So in this place, we can see India. Now, the ad that you are wanting to create and start running. Let's say if you want to run ads all over India, then that's a different story. But let us assume that I only want to run the ads in New Delhi, and in Uttar Pradesh. And run the ads. So I'm going to remove India and target Delhi and Uttar Pradesh. And since it is a coaching institute, then Bihar also. I am targeting this. So I have chosen these 3 states. Now I'll be saving this because the number of times each keyword is searched in each state. So that also makes a lot of difference. So here I have chosen all of those specific areas that I want to target and then start running my ads in. Here people often end up making a very common mistake. For all the beginners who do not know anything about this, so then you should know these are all the benefits of learning from a digital marketing agency. These are the small practical things that we are telling you and which will be helping you with the budget optimization. And you don't advertise unnecessarily to places and people where your money will be wasted. So here, we chose that specific area. Now we will click on get results. In this place, so now you can see. So this is giving us 246 here. And it is giving us all the ideas for keywords based on the keywords we targeted. So friends, CA Coaching Institute are the keywords that I have mainly targeted. If you take this one, like here I have targeted 3 areas mainly for now, and if you see, you can try it, it's a free tool. And you can just target India here, so you will get a different number. 50 is showing, right? Maybe it will show more to you. What is the benefit? And see all the actual figures of the areas which we should target, which keywords have the most traffic and what people are searching for the most. So here I am talking about the CA Coaching Institute. So looking at the last 12 months, the average search volume is around 50 searches per month. Some months it's 100, some months it's 70, some months it's 20. Got average of 50. Here, if we are looking at the last 3 months, then there has been an increase in the keyword searches. And so then at the top of the page, so the low range here means within this, the lowest bid that is being shown here for this is around 14 rupees. The highest rank, and if you want the ad to be at the top, the highest bid that is placed for this is 190 rupees. This keeps fluctuating and it depends on the factor of how many people are bidding at that time. At what time and on what day is it being shown. On which keywords. And along with all of these things here, what also matters is the quality score, etc. And then what will be your cost. So this aspect will surely matter. And how you will target which keywords, as that is required to decide your budget also. Let's say your daily budget is 1000 rupees. Someone's daily budget is 5000 rupees or 500 for someone else and even 2000. This is also important because based on this, you can then decide what your paying capacity is and what keyword is relevant for you. Now, this keyword is CA Coaching's near me. It has 1977 searches monthly, so imagine its importance. So the areas which are targeted by you, so in them, the person is mainly searching for CA Coaching Center in their vicinity. So this keyword is done. Now, if you want to analyze everything related to this properly and in depth, you can then download a report from here. You can do it on Excel or Google Sheets. I'll click on Google Sheets. Here, I need to give the file a name or directly go to the downloads. Now, as I download, my sheet is being prepared here. And then this will tell me as soon as my sheet is prepared. I will open my sheet now. As soon as I open the sheet, you can come here and see. I have the sheet in front of me. I'll just make it bigger. Now look, CA Coaching Institute. You can see how many monthly searches are there on this. Everything is shown to you. Okay. It will show all the bidding, or if the competition is low, medium, high. So it will show everything. So just like in this way, it has pulled up almost all of them in front of me here. It was saying that 249 words were extracted totally. I will not target so many keywords because I want to get the most using only 10, 12, 15, 20. I will be targeting only 25 keywords in my campaign, and I will target only the keywords that will bring me the most traffic. So what do? Let's say this keyword is useful. So I will click on this, and so here I will then start making my list. Okay. So CA Coaching near me, and I have to select this also. So here I will click on this now. Now I will then have to be targeting the CA coaching centers near me. CA Foundation. Yes, we need to do CA Foundation coaching, absolutely. By doing this, we can find the useful keywords. We will also look at the things that are searched for, the competition in them. We will then be seeing the low bid and the high bid that are there. And by doing all of this, we will be creating a solid list of 20 to 25 keywords required. So then now, in this particular way and method, we will be using and handling the keyword planner, which gives us all the required information. And now, when I will start teaching you how to create campaigns within this course, the search campaigns, PPC campaigns, where this feature is used the most, then you will keep practicing it, because as you have learned it now, so you will keep practicing it. And if you keep your research ready for the keywords that you will use for your industry, so I will teach you how to create a campaign and you will be able to implement it. Because when you have a sorted list of keywords and when I will teach you how to create a campaign, then using those keywords you will be able to create a campaign. Friends, the Google Keyword Planner is a very easy to use tool. Just use common sense and target the location, target the right keywords, and then choose and create a list. Okay, so then you will never be making any mistake. Just keep in mind the little things. I hope it made sense. Thanks.